So guys, so what is up with you guys? It's your girl Leannah and welcome back to another video. So right now guys, as you can see on the title down there, that we will be making this instant noodles into something better. So yeah, so I know that most people right now loves ramen. Who doesn't like ramen, right? So right now, some of us again, we can't go out of the house or there are stores that aren't open yet. So ngayon guys, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo gagawa ng homemade ramen. So the things that we need are hard-boiled egg. Guys, yung hard-boiled ko guys is a fail because I tried doing the soft-boiled egg. Yun ba? Yeah. Pero it's okay. It was my first time doing that. And then we also need soy sauce. We need garlic. We need sliced. Guys, I'm sorry there's a construction beside our house, so please bear with me. So yeah, anyways, let's continue. I have here chopped onions, then I also have here sliced onions. Then we also have ginger or luya. Then we also need honey. Then of course our instant noodles. Then we also need this green onions. Then we also need 1/8 cup of water. Then we need chili flakes. Then we need cabbage and green onions again because this one is the light part or the white part and this one is the dark part or the green part. Then we also need 1/4 cup of milk. You can use evaporated milk or fresh milk, but I prefer using evaporated milk because it has more flavor than the fresh milk. Then we also need sesame oil. If you don't have sesame oil, you can use olive oil, peanut oil for alternatives. So yeah. Then we also need pork. Pork. So if you don't have pork sa inyong bahay, pero you have bacon, then you can do that. Kasi for the toppings to guys. Then we also need 2 cups of water. Guys, I measured these water like 1 cup each. So yeah, I guess that's it. So yes guys, let's go satisfy our cravings. So yes guys, so for the first thing that we need, wait, I'll turn this on first. Yeah. Okay. So we need to put our sesame oil. Let's heat the pan first. I don't know if I'm doing this right, but fingers crossed! Wala na tayong magawa dito sa bahay, so let's make use of what we have. Okay. Lower down your heat. Yan. Okay. Let's add sesame oil. There. Wait, I need to get a pot holder. Oh, here. Yan. Then after that, smells good. Let's add our soy sauce. Guys, the soy sauce is 1 teaspoon, guys. Lower down your heat, guys. Then let's add our sliced garlic. Oh guys, I hope you can smell this one. So if you want to try this or you want to smell what I'm smelling right now, go try this at your home. So now we will be adding the 1 tablespoon honey. Wait, I don't know if I said it earlier, but I used 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And just mix them all together. Mix them all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. Yan. Then after that, we will be adding the pork. Guys, as in, sobrang ano lang talaga ng pork. Hindi ko dinamihan. Dinaramihan. What? Yan. Yeah. Let's mix this. Guys, gusto ko sanang gumawa ng, gusto ko sanang magsamgyupsal dito sa bahay. Pero wala kaming griller. Pero meron kaming pan and then like, pwede din namin gawin. Like, it looks like a griller, guys. So, I don't know if I can use that. Kasi, kino-convince ko pa yung parents ko na mag-barter kami. As in, like, bartering is so fun. Hindi naman ako nagbabarter. Pero sila, minsan nagbabarter sila. Minsan food. Yan. Just let it sit there for about, I don't know, a minute. Yeah. Basta, pag mag-cook na yung pork. Actually, this pork was boiled earlier. Yeah. Binoil na nila ito. Kasi, ginagamit ito guys for Valenciana. Kasi we're selling Valenciana and other food, like pasta, other dishes. Yeah, that's the term. Me, I sell pastries, cookies, cinnamon buns, cinnamon rolls, like that. Cream puff. But my parents, because before guys, we have a store which is called Gingerline. Basta yung story is nandun sa isang video ko. I'll link it down below or maybe I'll put it up there. Yan. It smells so good. Oh God, we can do this with chicken. Guys, I'm sorry I've na-cut kasi nalobat yung isang... Wait! Oh my God! Ah! Yes! Okay na to guys. Let's get this out of the heat. Oh my God, guys! Naubusan ako ng butane. Gas. So guys, I don't know. I'll ask Manang kasi wala na tayong gas. Wala na tayong butane. Wait guys, I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. Thank you, Manambel, for buying. Okay guys, so I'm back and yun, meron na tayong butane. Shout out to Nambel. Thank you for buying. Yeah, so now let's proceed to the soup. So guys, wait. Hello. So yes guys, so now we're back. Thank you Manambal, Manang for fixing. Yeah, so now let's proceed to the soup. So yes guys, right now let's put the 2 cups of water. 1 little teaspoon. Yan. Then after that, then let's put the... Nope, hindi pa pala. Let's add the noodles. Wait, then let's remove the seasoning. Yan. Let's add the noodles, guys. There you go.
take my love for granted.
So guys, I'm sorry if naputol, pero I'm back. So yeah, the noodles are now cooked. Now, it's time for us to add the milk. Yes. There you go. Yan. Then after ng milk, guys, we will be adding the ginger and the chopped onions. Yan. It smells good. Then now, we will be adding the light part of manong pwede. Guys, I'm sorry, but let's go on. Now, guys, mag-add tayo ng white part ng green onions. White part ng green onions. Light part ng green onions. Yan. Then, we will be adding the seasoning. By the way, guys, the noodles, it really depends sa inyo if anong flavor ang gusto niyo. Pero for me, I chose beef. Yeah, so pwede kang gumamit ng chicken, o buffalo, o jampong. Yeah, maybe you can use that. But yeah, you can use any other flavors that you want. Yeah, and just mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds. There you go. I think we're done. That's it, guys. That's it. Yes! Guys, so now it's time for us to plate. To bowl. I mean, it's time for us to put this ramen or this soup into the bowl. So yeah. Then guys, it's time for us to put the toppings. Wait, for putting all the toppings, I'm just gonna slice the pork. So yes guys, let's just slice. Ayan, okay na yan. Then, ano ba yan? Set it all up. So first, we will be putting the cabbage. Yan. Yan, so we will be adding the cabbage. So guys, here's our ramen! That's right here. Yeah, seaweed na lang guys. As in, seaweed na lang. But yeah. Guys, let's try this. Let's try this. Wait. So guys, it's time for us to try this out. So yeah, let's dig in. Okay guys, so I'm sorry because I don't have chopsticks. But who cares guys? The food matters, not the cubiertos. So yeah, let's try. Ano ba? Ramen! Siyempre, ako nagluto. Mama ko bilalaw ay. Guys, it tastes so good. Wait, let's try the egg. Baka yung lasa niya manok. Wow! Charot lang. So guys, I swear, it's so good. It's so good, guys. I'm telling you. Imo! I'm gonna finish this! Gusto mo matry? Ganito pa lang sabihin mo? Hambal namin. Hambal namin!
Hindi nga, ba't di ba mo ikat mo? Namit.
So yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you like this one. I'm really telling you guys to try this at home because this one's very nice and this one is very cheap and affordable. Again, if you don't have sesame oil, you can use olive oil. You can also use peanut oil or hindi ako sure if pwede niyo. Canola oil. That's a very convenient one na alternative. So, yes. Again, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. And if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down below any video suggestions if you want. You can chat me or you can message me. I'll just link down all my social handles, social accounts, social media accounts. Yeah, I'll just link down my social handles. And then, don't forget to share this with your friends. And don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified in my next video. So, sorry guys. So, sarap kasi. So yes guys, again, bye! Thank you very much for watching. I love you, but Jesus loves you most. Bye! Mwah!